Did you know that WhatsApp messages have an open rate of 90%, which makes it even more effective channel for reaching customers instantly? And do you also want to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all the customers or clients or leads without getting blocked? Then you are on the right video. First, let me show you how this automation is going to work. So you just have to do 2 clicks. As you can see on my WhatsApp, I only have a single message right now. But I'll just do 2 clicks, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this send all data. It is saying working, so I am going to wait for few seconds and then automatically I am going to receive WhatsApp messages. As you can see, I have received this bulk WhatsApp messages. An automated WhatsApp message is sent to all the ones who I had right over here in my spreadsheet, and yes, this can be done without getting blocked using official WhatsApp API. So as you can see, all of these are the WhatsApp messages right over here sent to all the customers, users or leads. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to send bulk WhatsApp messages to thousands of contacts using official WhatsApp API. So if you're running marketing campaigns, webinars, events or even edu-tech business, sending WhatsApp messages one by one can be extremely time consuming and painful. But with this automation, you can send personalized WhatsApp messages to hundreds or even thousands of contacts automatically in just few seconds, few minutes and without getting blocked. In this video, I'll show you how to send bulk WhatsApp messages using official WhatsApp API, which means the process is secure, reliable and follows the WhatsApp policies. Since we are using official WhatsApp API, we do not have to worry about number getting blocked or banned, which is the common issue with the unofficial methods. So by the end of this video, you will complete this workflow and you will also send 1000+ WhatsApp messages without getting blocked using official WhatsApp API. So I wanted to notify all the ones who I had in the spreadsheet about the new event of the AI automation masterclass, and I've sent the WhatsApp messages for the same. So let's learn how to do this. To do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And once you open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, in the top right corner, you are going to get the option of sign up for free. So if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 or WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. It is RITYT. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful for you and your business, then this discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use it. Alright, so now if you are an existing user, just come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, create a workflow and open this workflow builder. Same goes for the new user, log in and then come on the workflow builder. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for Google Sheets and select Google Sheets over here. For the event, you have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Make sure that your Google Sheets is logged in. Okay, now you have two options, add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you are a new user, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now what you have to do is you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. After that, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now Now your Google Sheets is connected and we have received this webhook URL. So just copy the webhook URL and open your Sheets. After you open your Sheets in which you have the details, you have to go in this extensions, add-ons, and then you have to go towards this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks, select it, and as you can see, I have already installed this extension. If you haven't installed this, you can install it right from here. After you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to view the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks over here in your extensions tab. Once you get this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So you just have to paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column. So over here, as you can see, I have entered the webhook URL and the trigger column, but you must be wondering what is trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I want to send 4 details, so my trigger column is D. If you want to send 3 details, your trigger column will be C, and so on. After this, click on this submit and it is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that we have successfully built the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. But now in the workflow, it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test button and you're going to see we have received this response which says test data sent successfully. It has sent this first row towards our workflow. So let's open our workflow, and as you can see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. And further, in the end of this video, I'll let you know that there's a one most important step using which this workflow is going to run in real time. So don't watch this video till here, watch this video till the end. It is going to be very helpful and useful for you. Okay, so now let's move on further. Now what you have to do is we have to send automated WhatsApp message. So first we're going to send the automated WhatsApp message to this single contact only, and then further we'll learn how to send it to all the contacts. Alright, so now click on this add new action step. For the action application, I am going to use Pabbly Chartflow in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. You can use any another application too according to your own choice. Alright, you can use WhatsApp Cloud API, Wati, AI Sensi, Pabbly supports most of them. Okay, so you just have to search for the application and select it. After you select it, for the event, select it as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Pabbly Chartflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just open your Pabbly Chartflow account. The hyperlink is provided. Just click on this. It is redirecting towards all Pabbly apps. So go on this Pabbly Chartflow and click on this access now. Now it is going to open your Pabbly Chartflow dashboard. So once the dashboard is open, you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chartflow. So Pabbly Chartflow provides an official WhatsApp API in order to send WhatsApp messages. So this is a reliable and a secure software. You can definitely use it. Okay, and if you want to learn how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chartflow, the video is attached right over here. This is a complete tutorial. You can watch it. After you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this settings and then you have to go on this API and webhooks. Now you're going to find that this is the API token. So just copy the API token and paste it over here in your workflow. Click on this save and your Pabbly Chartflow is connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now you have to enter the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So let's enter the mobile number of our recipient, but over here is a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. Now after entering this mobile number, it is asking me for the WhatsApp message. So I want to send a WhatsApp message, something like this. I'm just going to copy and paste it over here. But as you can see that in this WhatsApp message, first of all, I'm going to correct the formatting over here. And after I correct the formatting, what we're going to do is we are going to simply map the name so that we can send personalized WhatsApp messages to all the ones who I want to attend this event. Okay, so first of all, let's just correct the formatting. Now after this, let's just map the name of the lead or the customer. So put a slash, search for the name, and then map the first name, put a space, then put a slash, search for the last name and map it. Now the WhatsApp message is completed. Let's move on on further. Now it is asking me for the name, so once again let's put a slash and map the name over here. Okay, after mapping the name, it is asking for opt-in, keep it as yes. For the incoming blocked, keep it as no. It is saying tags to remove, so if you want to remove some tags or add some tags, you can do this. Same goes for the key. If you want to leave this field as blank, switch on this mapping button and please delete whatever is written right over here. This is very important. After this, just click on this save and send test request. But as you can see that this is a dummy phone number, so I am going to replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. After replacing this, let's click on the save and send test request. You have to make sure that whatever number you're going to enter should start without the plus sign but should have the country code. So when you enter the details in the Google Sheets, make sure to include the country code over here. I use dummy number, so I excluded this. Now click on the save and send test request, and now after clicking on the save and send test request, it is saying message sent. Alright, so let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see we have received a new message right over here for smart user. Okay, so now let's go back towards our workflow. With this, we have successfully completed our workflow and now I can send bulk messages. But how? For that, you have to go towards your sheets, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Once you click on this send all data, all of this data will be sent towards your workflow and an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to all the ones you have right over here in your Google Sheets. Further, if you go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and switch on this button which is send on event, then what is going to happen is whenever you add the new details, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent towards them too. So yes, this is the amazing automation which we have created, and yes, you can use this automation without the worry of getting blocked or banned. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached right over here and in the description box below too. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.